Little Big Planet! Well guys, the setup is almost complete. We've got a few new components over here, while some of them not so new, but still, they're in a new place. We've got the Xbox right over here, the Xbox 360, sitting in this corner, right next to the keyboard, and right next to this new mount. Well, I guess it's not really a mount, it's more of a stand for my Razer Kraken headphones. And up here, we've got the master of all audio perfection. This is the Blue Radius shock mount, attached to a 90s style, weird kind of lamp, I guess. I don't know. It's not really from a lamp. This is actually a proper microphone stand. But as you can see, I had to do a little bit of modification right there, because for some reason, it would not hold this heavy thing. Because this thing weighs a ton. But something came in the mail today. I wonder what could it be? These 2 sticks of RAM. Got him! Right, so we're gonna take these bad boys and plug them straight into TRON, so we should have ultimate gaming performance. And don't forget for editing and watching videos. Or using Firefox. No, but seriously, for using Firefox. Oh, and remember how this Call of Duty Ghost poster used to be on this wall? Yeah, well, now we've got Battlefront. I even went out and bought a nice poster frame for it, so let me know what you guys think. I'm thinking about trying to do a little bit of a symmetrical design here. Take out that Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 poster, and eventually replace it with something that's the same size, because I don't want it to be very different in size. I want the same size poster and the same size poster frame, and I'm hopefully going to manage to get it aligned with these 2 pictures over here. And just as I was recording this vlog, a picture that I posted on Twitter with the new Syndicate Original Diamond Digger shirt, and a Christmas card of course, has gone viral! Well, not really. It's got an 8 retweets, 24 favorites, but still, that is pretty awesome, especially because I just posted this not a long time ago, so GG guys. Okay, so obviously I can't install this until I turn the computer off, so we're gonna do just that. Alright, now it's time to actually install this stuff. 1 click. There we go. Now we've got all 4 slots filled with 8 gig cards, and we finally got 32 gigs in this system. Oh yeah! Alright, moment of truth. Let's power this bad boy on. Now the monitors are on, yep. Except for this one. This one's not. But then again, this is the main screen. Ooh, we got a light. Ooh! CPU memory changed. Sweet, looks like it worked. Well, from the looks of this, we're pretty set on RAM. So that's all for this vlog, guys. Thanks for watching, and derp.